Good morning! Today we are going to make a fantastic recipe. One of my favorite recipes that I have created, the Magnolia chicken triangles. Some countries they call it Spanakopitas. This is a great recipe, really easy to make, fun to share with family and friends. So, our ingredients are 1/4 cup each of Feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, we have 1 egg, we have 1/4 cup also of onion, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 cup blanched spinach, which we did ahead of time. We have also 3/4 cup melted butter. We have our Phyllo sheets. And of course, the #1 product for today, the best, the Magnolia chicken templados all around pangsahog. I love this product. I use it a lot in my classes. And I also share this with family and friends. It's so convenient. It's ready-made. It makes your recipe so much better, enhances the flavor. So, what we're going to do is we have our bowl and we will simply add all the ingredients together. So we have our feta cheese. In cooking, we want a balanced flavor. That's why the measurement is all the same, 1/4 cup each. Our Parmesan cheese. We have our egg. White onions, which gives a sweeter flavor. Now, if you want to use violet onions, you can also use that. No problem. Our spinach. Now, if spinach is not available, you can always substitute it with kangkong. Right? And we have, of course, 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Some people might ask, Chef, why don't we add salt? Well, the cheese has a natural salty flavor, so it's perfect already. Mix a little bit. Once everything is mixed well, we will then add the star ingredient for this recipe, our Magnolia chicken templados all around pangsahog. You can readily find this in the supermarket or your favorite Magnolia chicken station. So, simply add all of that. You just gently mix till everything is well combined. It smells so good. And then once everything is well combined, that's when we will set aside our filling mixture. And then what we will do is we will get our Phyllo sheets and we will cut it roughly the size of the box. And we will just cut. Then we will get our melted butter and just simply brush with butter. Then we will get about 1 teaspoon, not too big or else our chicken triangles will not close. And then we will make a triangle by getting one end and form a triangle going to the left until it seals. To make sure it will not open up while you're baking, we brush it again with more butter. So we're now going to put our chicken triangles at 425 degrees Fahrenheit inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the recipes today, brought to you by Magnolia Chicken Templados all around pangsahog. Please do try it. Like our Facebook fan page and follow us on Instagram. This is Chef ERNEST Reynoso Gala from Gala Stars Culinary and Sylvia Reynoso Gala Culinary. Enjoy!